Hello again. This video is going to cover how to set up a ThemeSnap theme using the installation profile. And in the previous video, I showed you how to set up a MySQL database. And this is the next step in getting your theme completely set up. So basically, once your files have been uploaded via FTP, I like to use FileZilla, which is an app that seems to work pretty well. Once all of your files are uploaded to your server, you will just go to the URL for the site. So in this case, this is the one of the demos, just a test demo. So you can see that it's themesnap.com /theme-demos/go mobile/test. You can either go to the install.php file, or you can just load the URL itself and it'll actually append the install.php to the end. So I'll first start out by selecting the Go Mobile installation profile. I'll leave this as English as a default. This next page is the database configuration. I'll leave the database type as MySQL since I created the MySQL database in the last step. The database name from that MySQL setup was the Go Mobile 9 database with the start of my domain name appended to the front. The user that I created was the user 007, and the database password, which is needed. I'll add that here. Usually for advanced options, you'll leave this just as is. Localhost is fine. Occasionally, if you're running a Drupal installation with GoDaddy or another service provider, you may have to change the database host if the database is actually located on a different server. So basically, I'll click Save and Continue. You'll see here the installation profile is working. The Field UI module, menu module, some of the others that are set up using the installation profile we've created. Okay, now that that's run, you'll get to the site information page. You'll type in the site name, the URL, or just the site name is fine. The email address, which I'll use our support email address in this sample. The username, which I'll just choose admin. The email address just gets brought down from the site email address here for the site maintenance account information. I already have a password that I'm going to just add in here. And for the default country, you can choose that. Ours is the United States. And down here, I'll just leave the update notifications. I'll leave these two checked for updates automatically and receive email notifications. And then I'll just click Save and Continue. Okay, now you see that the you get a success message here. It says the Go Mobile Easy installation was a success, imported 253 queries. And then for security purposes, it's recommended that you delete the SQL file that's located within the profiles folder. So basically, if you go to your FTP client and then you click on profiles, you'll see the subdirectory called Go Mobile and then the SQL file. So it's just site.sql. So you just remove that once you, I usually like to do that once I've actually visited the site and see that everything is actually working. And sometimes on the first load of the site, the first page here, like you'll see here, the slider doesn't load immediately. That's pretty typical with an installation profile. Occasionally You may have to even reload the page, or even go to configuration and then performance and then clear cache, just to clear the cache and then go back to the home page and reload again. But you see here the theme is fully loaded and operating, and this is a simple installation profile from ThemeSnap, and I hope it helps you get your theme set up. Thanks for watching.